हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल फैबिगना। तो आज है रिव्यू करने का दिन एंड आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड टू रिव्यू दिस प्रोडक्ट एंड दिस इज फ्रॉम द डटन की their vitamin C+E moisturizer, which I received as a PR. You must have seen that in the stories and in the shorts also. So the fact is that this comes in a glass bottle and 595 rupees इसकी retail price है and 36 months तक आप इसको use कर सकते हो and yeah. And this is a made in India product. I'm so happy. I feel so proud when there are products made in India product. Well, the packaging is quite cute, like हर डॉट एंड की कैप इसी तरह से होता है. I really like that, but it comes in a glass bottle. Again, I am very scared when anything comes in a glass bottle. Like I always say, I have the naughtiest kids in the world, I think, because they love fiddling around and playing around with my makeup products, my skincare products, and आज जिनिशा 3-4 लिपस्टिक लेकर भाग गई. ओके एंड मीशा भी चाहती है मेकअप करना. ज़रा सोचो, 3 साल की बच्ची है यो. सो दिस कम्स इन अ ग्लास बॉटल, सो आई डेफिनेटली नॉट से दैट दिस इज ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली, बट let's talk about the moisturizer now. Well, like the company says that this has vitamin C and vitamin E. हम लोग details में जाएंगे, but it will fade away, you know, all the blemishes and the pigmentations of your skin. लेकिन धीरे धीरे, एक दिन में नहीं होगा. I've been using this for 7 days, okay? And the next thing is that it has some antioxidants also, which is again very good for your skin, and it will give that glow and brightness. It will help to bring that glow and brightness to your skin. So overall this product is very good for normal to oily to dull skin to dry skin. Everybody can use this क्योंकि मैंने देखा है कि ये बिल्कुल भी चिपचिपा नहीं है, and this gets absorbed to your skin very quickly. And at the same time, I really like the smell of this cream. Like this is yellow based color. मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. Like there's a protector, like ये प्लास्टिक का है, and this is the cream. It's yellow in color and इसकी smell है एकदम orange जैसा, because this has blood orange, okay? And this has blood orange, so एकदम संतरे का जैसा, orange के जैसा ही इसका smell है. And you really need the tiniest peanut size amount of it, and dot dot करके आपको पूरे face में apply करना है. I have been applying this twice a day, like in the morning after taking shower and at night while before going to bed. So I have been using this and I must say I really like this cream. Now when I was sent this product by the company, they never said that you have to do a review or anything like that. They just asked me, you just use it, and if you like it, then please do tell the people about this cream. And such में I am amazed with the, you know, with the whole product. It's such a nice product. So let's see what are the ingredients this has and how this is going to help your skin. तो ये जो क्रीम है, दिस इज एक्चुअली फॉर्मुलेटेड विद एस्कॉर्बिक एंड लैक्टिक एसिड. इसमें विटामिन सी है. फ्रॉम एस्कॉर्बिक एसिड एंड लैक्टिक एसिड से आपको विटामिन सी मिल रही है. उससे क्या होगा, आपकी स्किन में ब्राइटनिंग हो जाएगी जेंटली. इट विल ऑल्सो एक्सफोलिएट द स्किन एंड इट विल हेल्प टू प्रमोट हेल्दी कोलाजन प्रोडक्शन दैट विल इम्प्रूव योर स्किन इलास्टिसिटी. और इसमें व्हीट जर्म भी है एंड इसमें रोजहिप ऑयल भी है. साथ में इसमें शिया बटर डाला गया है एंड इसमें विटामिन सी के साथ साथ विटामिन ई भी है. एंड ये सब कुछ मैक्सिमाइज करेगी आपके स्किन को टू, यू नो, इट विल मैक्सिमाइज द पावर टू न्यूट्रलाइज द फ्री रेडिकल्स, मेकिंग इट मोर पोटेंट इन कंट्रोलिंग द अपीयरेंस ऑफ फाइन लाइन्स एंड रिंकल्स. तो इन सारे चीज़ों के कारण आपके अगर रिंकल्स है, फाइन लाइन्स है, वो धीरे धीरे गायब हो जाएगी. सो योर स्किन विल बी ब्राइटर, there will be no fine lines and wrinkles. धीरे धीरे वो भी फेड हो जाएगी एंड योर स्किन विल बी सॉफ्ट. ओके, तो इन सब चीज़ों के लिए ही ये हो रहा है. इट इज़ अ लाइट वेट मॉइस्चराइजर एंड बहुत ही हल्का बहुत ही है. मतलब आप जब लगाओगे आपको लगेगा कि आपने स्किन में कुछ लगाया नहीं है एक्चुअली. एंड दिस इज रिच विथ द विटामिन सी दैट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम ककूडा प्लांट एंड इट ऑल्सो हैज़ ब्लड ऑरेंज, जिसके कारण मैंने कहा था कि इसका जो स्मेल है एकदम ऑरेंज के जैसा ये स्मेल करता है. एंड दिस विल रिजुनोवेट द स्किन, मेकिंग इट लुक विजिबली ब्राइटर, स्मूदर एंड एनर्जाइज्ड. तो ये बहुत ही बढ़िया एक क्रीम है. एंड अब मैं आपको क्रीम की जो कंसिस्टेंसी है वो भी आपको दिखा देना चाहती हूँ. जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो, ये येलो कलर में है एंड ये बॉटल तो ग्लास का है एंड ट्रांसपेरेंट है एंड बहुत ही थोड़ा सा लगता है। ये देखो एकदम मैंने थोड़ा सा, मैंने इससे भी कम में लूँगी मेरे हाथों में लगाने के लिए एंड इसके बाद मैं इसको धीरे धीरे लगाऊंगी एंड यू कैन सी दैट इट्स गेटिंग अब्सॉर्ब very quickly. Once you apply this, you know, for few days you will find that your skin is looking brighter, smoother. Yes, it will take time for the blemishes to fade away completely. You have to apply this regularly. I think for 2-3 months if you're applying this, then you can see the result, but for 7 days I have applied this and I'm really happy with the result. And also आपके जो फाइन लाइन्स है, जो स्माइल लाइन्स है, जो रिंकल्स है, वो भी धीरे धीरे गायब करने में ये मदद करने वाला है, because this has vitamin C and vitamin E. Like I said, there are very beautiful good botanical ingredients have been added, and this is free from all kinds of harsh chemicals also, so it is very good for your skin. It is safe for your skin. It is dermatologically tested, and 60 ml की product आपको मिल रही है. Although this retails for like 500 plus, I told you the price, but after discount I think I'm pretty much sure you will get within a range of 450 or within a range of 500. तो जब आपको मिल रही है तो आउटसाइड बॉक्स पैकेजिंग कुछ इस तरह से आपको मिलने वाली है. यू विल गेट अ बॉक्स लाइक दिस. इज अ कार्डबोर्ड बॉक्स वेयर एवरी डिटेल्स इज रिटन. नाउ इट्स रिटन ओवर हियर दैट दिस इज डॉट एंड की स्किन केयर विटामिन C and E super bright moisturizer, and yeah, every details is written here, the date of manufacturing, the expiry date, the price, everything, and yeah. And you can buy this from Dot & Key website. Also, you can buy this from Nykaa. You can buy this from Amazon. You can buy this from Flipkart. So there are various ways, various like places from where you can get this. Also from the local shops also you can buy this product. So that's my teeny mini review about this product, my first PR, my first skincare PR that I have received. Thank you Dot & Key, and thanks to all of you, because you people have subscribed, you people watch my video, and that is the reason the company can trust me and they have sent me this product. But if you trust my review, then I will highly suggest you to try this product. And I have very oily, very sensitive skin. I found this product to be really helpful. And if you have really bad acne marks and blemishes like me, to clear your skin, you can really go and try this one. So that's the whole video about this. Like I always say, keep that smile on your face, and definitely we are going to meet again in our next video. And yes, this whole makeup look that you are seeing, this is the Shoshti makeup look that I created for my IGTV. So if you want, you can watch it on the Instagram IGTV. So this is the whole Shoshti makeup for the Durga Puja. I created using only Cuffs and Lashes products. Now the main 3 Cuffs and Lashes products that I have is their cover pots and their You Make Me Blush and Highlight palette, from where I got everything that I needed, like the blush, the highlighter, the contour, and the eye, everything, eyeshadow, and the lipstick, the 5-in-1 nude lipsticks. Everything I think I have already done a review, a detailed review in my channel, so you guys already know how the products are. And using these 3 products I have created this look. Of course, the mascara, I have used Huda Beauty mascara, and for the eyebrows I have used the Maybelline, and to set my face for the powder I haven't mentioned there, but I have used MAC setting powder, and the setting spray I have used the Wet n Wild setting spray. So yeah, these are the things that are extra I have used apart from Cuffs and Lashes. But to see this tutorial, you have to follow me on Instagram. I will just put my Instagram handle, I'll put the link in the description box. So if you want, you can definitely follow me there also. So like I said, bye and see you all soon.